What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a TikTok business account to sell or promote products and how you can connect your Etsy shop to this TikTok account. Now, first of all, let me say that you don't have any official way yet as of the moment of recording this video of connecting or adding your Etsy shop to your TikTok business account. So if you go, for example, to Etsy, you won't find any option to connect both of them together. Even if you go to your shop manager, you will not find a way to connect your Etsy shop to your TikTok business. And if you go here to your TikTok business account here, or you go to TikTok business in order to create a TikTok account, I'll show you how to create it and how to progress through these steps. Now, the TikTok business account is different from your normal TikTok account where you post videos of yourself. It's basically aimed to help the sellers and product owners to promote and sell their products. So in order to be able to sell on TikTok, you need to have a TikTok business account. Now, it's worth mentioning that there are some third-party websites or services that allow you to connect both of them, such as Nimble, which is a tool that allows you to connect Etsy and TikTok shop. Of course, it's a third party because there isn't, as I told you, an official way to link the two of them, neither through Etsy or TikTok business. Now, you can go ahead and invest or try the Nimble service if you are interested in making a seamless connection between both of them. And let's take a look at their pricing pretty quickly. So you have here the basic plan at $39 a month. It's up to 500 products. And if you want to increase your products up to 5,000 or even 15,000, you can go to the Enterprise or Enterprise Plus plan, which will get you to $129 per month. And you can, of course, try for free to see which plan is better for you. Now you can scroll down to see the features. Now, enough talking about Nimble. Let's go ahead to TikTok Business. So you can search on Google for TikTok Business. You'll land on the TikTok Business Center. To get started or create an account, click on Get Started. Enter your email and password to create your account. And I don't want to subscribe here, so I'm going to enter my email and password. And of course, you can sign up with TikTok if you already have a TikTok account, or you can use the phone. So I'm going to sign up with my TikTok account here. Okay, I need to agree to the terms and conditions. Sign up with TikTok. It'll open up a new tab right here, new pop-up, where I can authorize, or I need to authorize the entrance with TikTok. Okay, so this is my TikTok account. It's a new account that I created just for videos, and I need to enable these permissions. Now continue. And here I need to enter some basic information. Here you can see that they can partner with Shopify, Equid, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, but not Etsy. So that's what I was telling you, that there is no official way to link TikTok business or TikTok shop to Etsy. So let's continue. You can choose here your industry. Let's say I'm in the education. Let's say other. Okay, the business name, How to Simple. And here I need to enter a mobile number in the United States. So I'm going to enter it pretty quickly right here. So for the sake of this video, I'm just using a dummy phone number. However, of course, you should be entering your own real phone number. Okay, accepting the commercial terms of TikTok, and now get started. And it's worth mentioning that you need to make sure that TikTok itself is not banned in your country, because there are some countries that ban TikTok or do not allow access to TikTok. So, of course, the users in your country won't be able to access TikTok, and you won't be able to sell there. And the next thing is that you need to make sure that TikTok for Business is available in your country as well. So here you need to select state. I'll just select anything. Go to Ads Manager to set up my ads. And it loads up here the TikTok Ads Manager. So that's a good way to start promoting the Etsy product. That's one way to manually promote your Etsy shop products on your TikTok business account here through ads. So here I need to accept the terms and conditions. I will not use TikTok advertising for any wrongfully discriminatory practices. Okay, accept. And here I can view the advertising objective, so I can have more traffic, get more videos views, communicate, app promotion, lead generation, website conversion, product sales. So I'll just here select product sales from the TikTok shop, or I can add here, this is a campaign that I can create. Of course, I can set a campaign budget, and here I can promote the products here from a shop such as Etsy. Now here are the I can here view the settings. Of course, this is the campaign. Now I can use an existing campaign here. I can search for campaign and use an existing campaign instead of creating a new one. Now this is one way to like promote TikTok or sorry, your Etsy products. Let's exit this campaign for now. Okay, exit. Now, a second way is to collaborate with popular creators in your country or region, or the country you are going to sell your products in order for these creators to promote your own products. Of course, for a commission, of course, as TikTok offers a referral program. So, of course, you need to verify your phone number, you need to verify your email and everything. So that was like the TikTok Ads Manager side of things here. Now in the Etsy, of course, as I told you, you need to go to Etsy, you need to set up your shop, you need to set up the payment methods and everything. And of course, you need to add the products, your products on Etsy. You need to set up your product and have them ready to go. And you need to set up payment methods in order to be able to receive payments. Now, that was one way to, as I told you, to promote your Etsy products on TikTok. Now the second way is to use a third-party service such as Nimble, as I showed you here. Now, of course, in the TikTok Ads Manager as well, you need to add your billing information to pay and accept payment, set up payment details, create your first ad as we were doing right here. And these are some statistics and potential audience percentages. And now, promoting on TikTok is pretty useful since it's gaining popularity pretty hugely these last couple of years, and it has a huge audience. So you can rest assured that many people will view your ads and be able to purchase your products. So that was it. That was like a quick overview on how to sell your Etsy products on TikTok shop.